I have this axe here. It's a cold steel woodsman axe. And you know, out of all the axes I've bought, I don't use them very often. I have this Trailboss is the name of it. So it's Cold Steel Trailboss. And it's easily equivalent to like a $120, $130 axe, even though it's about a $40 axe. I use it a good bit. I chop a lot of wood with it. It's good for splitting wood. It's good. It's good just having an emergency, and I keep it in my truck. The problem with it, it's very sharp. So I wanted to make a cover for it. And all the ones you see online are basically a piece of leather that goes around here. Some of them strap back along here. Use this as a point. And some of them go this way. So I was looking at that design, and I really didn't like it. Because when you have a piece of leather, and it's sewn, and you're pulling back with a strap, you're putting all your pressure of that leather in that blade, and it's going to cut it. So I came up with this. This one I sewed along the blade by hand very tightly. It's leather. It's like it's almost like felt, but it's leather. It's like a suede, old suede from an old jacket I got at the Salvation Army about 20 years ago, used for leather piecing. It's from an old hippie dress, is what it is. Okay, so some hippie chick in the '60s used this as a dress, and now it's gonna be axe cover. So, how's that for free love? So anyhow, I made this and I sewed it. So I have the fold of it this way. So it's actually like a big shape like this. And I opened it up and made a notch here. Do this with one hand. There we go. Wow. So with this design, I have a strap I put through here, and I'm putting it on Velcro. So, all right, there we go. Nothing fancy, but what's beneficial about this is where it'll stretch out. I'm going to have to adjust it, but the pressure from it being pulled is on the top, not on the blade. So it doesn't have any chance that this blade is going to be pulled this way and cut through that seam. It's a more natural feel to it. And plus, when you need it, just pop it off and slide up, and it's not going to have the same effect that if you're going this way and pulling across, because if you're pulling this way, you have a chance your hands are going to touch a blade. If you're pulling up this way, you're pulling away from it. So those are two aspects to why this is a superior design to the ones that they're selling online, where it comes this way, the strap goes this way and pulls against the blade.